Hello, this is Christy Chavez, and I will be your guide once again. This second video in our series for the Nutrition, Food Science, Kinesiology course number 163, Physical Fitness and Nutrition. So this one is going to focus on basic search techniques in CINAHL, and as you saw in our first video, CINAHL is going to be a very versatile database for you. So to get to CINAHL, we're going to begin at the King Library website. On the right hand side, under Quick Links, we're going to click on Articles and Databases. We can either search under the letter of the alphabet or enter it in the search box. And there it is, CINAHL complete. Once we're in our database, we're going to do a basic search. So here is my topic, effects of caffeine on endurance or strength performance. You all are going to have your own topics. So just make sure that when you begin to search in CINAHL, you have your topic in mind. And so I'm going to show you just how I'm going to break it down to my top level topics here. So I'm just going to put in caffeine and use some Boolean operators here. So I can use and, or not. So I will stick with and, caffeine and strength, and search. So this is a really general search. I got 121 results. So that's not a ton of results, but it is something that I still want to limit. So if you see down here on the left hand side of the screen, it says refine results. We have some limiters here. So first of all, a lot of you are going to be asked to look for only 10 years back. So here's a date range under publication date. We can enter the date. So I'll do 10 years back. I can enter that and press enter, or you can use the little slider there. That brings me down to 94. Now, you can see I have academic journals and magazines, so I can either click on this just for academic journals, or under Show More, we will find our peer-reviewed limiter. So it could be peer-reviewed. Sometimes it's described as scholarly. These are interchangeable terms. But we went ahead and searched that, so we're down to 91. So if you look here under current search, it describes what we're using to get these results. So our Boolean phrase, caffeine and strength, there's our date limiters, and they're all peer-reviewed. So let's take a look at what we have come back with. There are some links here. Say find it, some say PDF full text. So what do these mean? If let's say number 6 here is something that I want to look at further. So I'm clicking on the PDF full text link. It's going to bring me to that actual PDF. This is the entire article. And over here we can download it, print it. There's also some options here on the right hand side of the screen where we can email it to ourselves, that kind of thing. So this is very convenient if you see that your results come back full text. Now we've got this one that says find it. If I click on find it, it could be one of many things. So it's going to ask you to sign in. So go ahead and sign in using your credentials. Then it'll show you what you have access to depending on your credentials. So this one happens to be full text and available through Sage Premier. So we could click on this link and take us to the full text there, or some of your results are not going to have a full text link. Let's say it doesn't and it's not available. Under availability here it says your search did not match any physical resource in the library. But it does have this little link here. Request this through interlibrary loan or ILLiad. So if you click that, it's going to link out to our ILLiad homepage, and if I pan up here, it should automatically insert this citation information into there and make ordering from Iliad super easy. So that is another option, but keep in mind that it could take a little while to get these back. So let's say you don't want to go through interlibrary loan, you don't want to wait. You could limit your resources here on the left-hand side to full text, and look, that scoped it down to 38 items. So these are just some basic tips to get you started on your research. Please take a look at my video number 3 for some more pointed tips on advanced searching and really digging into all these results that we're getting back. Thank you.